Welcome to Oh Wow Explore. I'm Brainy, your AI guide. Tap play to start your learning adventure. In the heart of an aircraft maintenance hangar, precision is everything. Here, a technician relies on smart glasses to ensure every step is followed perfectly. With both hands busy, the EON Assist IQ guides the technician's gaze. Each task appears right before their eyes, from fastener torques to wire routings. Imagine the confidence of knowing that each detail is checked, without needing a manual in hand. Every completed step is captured, creating a reliable digital maintenance record. This isn't just about compliance, it's about safety and teamwork.